Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Well, at least you're safe now.
And they have beady.
Oh, doggone it. This is about my hook, ain't it? I know I should have checked it, but I can't fit it.
Gone this fast from here. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine!
Nerve.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
Tiger is... What?
Bonita música.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Racing my entire life and my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Wait a second, this is Aeroshell 100. I thought I ordered the DT2380. Well, I am sorry you had...
So, Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this. Dragon style!
When I started Miss Critters Racing School! And I can help you!
Jackson Storm. Why is he so darn fast?
It's no mystery if you study the data, Mr. Hick.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio contact? Somebody...
Lightning, come on. You've done the work. Now move on to the next phase and reap the reward.
Queen and Sally, right beneath the tree. K-I-S-S.
Un imbécile.
That road is Big Al.
Busy? Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
No, it's not right. He's gonna blow.
We're flying.
Thanks.
You really had it rolling today.
That was cool.
What? Actually, I'm not scared at all.
But you just said you were.
Wait, who was that? I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
what's going on, ladies? Alrighty now, let's have us a little look.
That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Sometimes I wish I was a real truck just like them.
Wait, Mater, you are absolute.
All spectators, clear the starting line.
Man, I.
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No, guys, I just.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels. Doc fixed me up, Flo took me in. Well, they all did. And I never left.
Excuse me.
It's a show you've been in rehab! Did you have a nervous breakdown, McQueen?
I'm sorry, what?
McQueen's wearing white walls!
Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven acá. Tractor, ¿qué haces? No debes.
Microscopic examination, I have found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an electro...
I made that Sterling fella a Texas-size offer.
So,
Percy is being fixed. Tomorrow, I'm going to deliver the mail run for him.
Percy is